Hello Hong Kong and hello world! For today's video, we're gonna show you a Hong Kong apartment which is good for families. Froi and Geri! We've been asked many times by some of you about Hong Kong accommodations. So we've thought of adding a new series in our channel called Hong Kong Flat or Hotel Room Rate. So it's sort of a tour of the spaces here in Hong Kong. If you're here in Hong Kong and would want us to do a flat tour or a hotel room tour at that, you can message us through our Instagram account at Froi and Geri. Now let's hop into the video! That's my friend Arvin. We just did a video before on Hong Kong street food and he's very kind to allow us to do a room raid. Just a disclaimer, the room is not that tidy anymore since they've already stayed in that place for days and we just did a room raid at that. Not bad ba ya? Here's a mini room tour of an Airbnb unit. So like, pinakabook tao na makasulod diri Arv.
We're
Asa
actually
nang duha diha?
rooms.
Ah, 2 rooms pa?
Okay.
Really?
We have 2 rooms.
So
Along
they've
with
got
the
2 rooms there.
rental. We have our own place front room. Pero hugaw siya, no? Here. This
Just
is the first room.
so this is the first room here.
Okay.
Pila ni diri?
4,900 pesos
Per night. Not bad considering that there are 2 rooms.
Yeah. Yes. And a bigger one.
And this is a bigger space here. So they have 2 rooms and a toilet,
Yeah.
right?
Toilet
So
and
this is their parang mini sala.
There's a fridge.
Fridge.
Nakuha ni mo power bank ni mata
There's a
na ko
fridge.
At least na siya.
Fridge. And then
They have a microwave,
toaster.
fridge, a toaster. Can you cook here?
Yeah, we can.
Oh, yeah.
Gas range burner.
There's a gas range. And there's this fan. So
2 air conditioned units.
hope you enjoy this short video. Till our next one, don't forget to subscribe. Be joyful always, prayerful at all times, and thankful in all circumstances. Stay awesome!